All right, today we're going to be covering adding Yotpo Reviews. All right, so Yotpo Reviews is typically an application that you can get from the App Store. And the way that you get apps from your App Store is by going to apps. Simple, right? You would go to visit your Shopify App Store, and then you would look up a system called Yotpo. This is how you typically would use to get reviews. So it's free to install to collect product reviews, photo reviews, and etc. etc. The bad thing about this particular app is for a new business, you don't have the luxury of waiting on people to leave you reviews. You're asking for people to leave you, do homework. So think about how many times you leave a survey or leave reviews when someone gives you excellent service. Typically, we only like to leave reviews when someone gives us poor service, unfortunately. So, this is how you create social proof for your business. We actually reverse engineered the whole Yotpo system. So instead of waiting on customers to give you reviews, you can create your own, right? So what we did was is we activated the Yotpo plugin on your site and basically digital brandsified it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. You would literally go to here, top at the home page, you select product pages. You'll select Yotpo. You type in the name of your business. You would attach your logo as the business image of what you want people to see. So you can click here, attach it. So let's say if I want this to be the logo, right? So when I reply to customers, this is what they'll see. I can attach the product that I want to review. So for instance, 613 bundle deal. I can click here. I can attach the product to exactly what product I want to review. I want to review this 613 blonde. I'll name my customer name, Keisha M. Dot. I love my hair. The hair is so perfect. I can't wait to order again. You can put a date in of when this customer said it. So now you want to create social proof. So let's say you've been in business, let's say for, you want to show that you've been in business for months now, right? So that we can go all the way back to 07, 07, 2000 and 2019. You can give yourself 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star. My recommendation would be make 95% of your reviews at least 5 stars, and then make a couple of them 3 stars, and then 1 or 2 4 stars. The 3 stars would typically say something like, the hair would took a little bit longer to get in, or the clothing took a little longer to get in, or you guys didn't answer the phone through customer service, but overall, I love the product, so you still got 3 stars. Next time, just hopefully you get it to me a little bit faster, something like that. So the part that says subject will be the subject here. I love my hair. The review would be the hair is so perfect, can't wait to order again. The reply, currently I don't have a reply, and the reply would be from the business. Thank you. Now I'm replying as the business as a verified review, and it says verified buyer with the highlight. So this system took us almost a good 2 months to reverse engineer, and now you get to have it at a fraction of what it's going to make you. So you have to think about when you're shopping online, you're going to Amazon. One of the first things you're going to look at is reviews. So having these reviews are extremely important. They're going to help you with your bottom line. They can click it. Literally, it's a really dope functional system. So I'm going to give myself 5 stars. Save that, and you're good to go. So again, you can click add another review. You select the product again. I can either select a different product. So let's say if I want to select copy of bundle deal, as you notice, I would have to click here, go to hair. If I want to see what I'm doing, I have to click the bundle deals, click copy of bundle deals. Right now is currently a review being built because I clicked it, but before it didn't say anything. So I want to go back down to Yotpo, click here, Tasha L, verify buyer, uh, frontal, or it would say what lace. Your frontals are the best I ever had. Boom. It can say 09/26/2019. 5 stars. Use code free ship on your next order. So here's a little cheat code. You can basically tell one customer to use a code, like, you know, for them, as if you were secretly giving them a code. So now when somebody else is going through your reviews, they're going to see this code and they're going to get excited and say, oh wow, they left a code on the review page, and they're going to use that code. But the whole time you already had a game plan for people to find this code like a treasure chest. So this is going to help you with your sales too. So also, you know, we have the cool feature multi-select already on this this website, where they can multi-select multiple bundles without being preset into what the business owner wants them to have. So you just save that and we're good to go. So that is a overview of adding Yotpo reviews. All right, thank you for looking.